Good day everyone. Today we will tackle the different tools, materials, and equipment used in carpentry. But first of all, let us differentiate them. When we say tool, this is an implement that is used to perform a specific task, and this is maneuvered by hands. It can also be used without electricity. On the other hand, when we say equipment, also known as power tool, it is usually a machine that uses electricity and battery to operate. And then the last one is material. When we say material, it refers to the different consumable things that are used to perform a specific task. Now, here are some of the tools, equipment, and materials in carpentry. Let us start with tools. First is claw hammer. Claw hammer is used to deliver an impact to a small area of an object. The main function of this in carpentry is for either driving or pulling nails in the woods. Next is tape measure. It is among the common measuring tools used today. This is of course used in carpentry to get proper measurement when cutting woods and other things that require measurement. Next one is moisture meter. What is the function of this? Moisture meter is used to measure the percentage of water in a given substance. Now, why is it important to check the moisture content of the woods before using them? It is extremely important to check the moisture content of the woods in order to identify the possible damage that is caused by moisture buildup. And the next one we do have chisel. It is a cutting tool that is used for carving, cutting, and removing part of a wood. It is also considered as one of the most important tools of a carpenter, especially when you need to make carvings on a wood. Next one, we have spirit level. This tool is used to ensure stability and to ensure the correct measurement of a wood. Now, how do we use this? You will just be looking on its center wherein there is a bubble. If the bubble stays at the center, it means that the surface is straight and stable. And the next one, we do have screwdriver. Screwdriver is one of the most essential tools of a carpenter. It is often used to drive or loosen screw. Next is nail set. Now, what is the function of this tool? It is used to distance your hand to a hammer while driving nails. And then next is framing square. Of course, carpenters use this tool to lay out structures which are square. This tool serves as guide when the wood crop needs to be a right angle which is 90 degrees. And the last one for the tools is the utility knife. Where do we use this? It is used to shape and to cut woods. Likewise, this can also be used to make lines that will be followed by saw when cutting woods and making wood joints. Let us now move on to the different equipment used in carpentry. First one is the biscuit joiner. This kind of equipment or power tool is used to join two pieces of wood together. And then next is domino joiner. This power tool is a drill-like rotating cutter that cuts mortises in the manner same to a biscuit joiner. Next is chainsaw. I know all of us are already familiar of this equipment. This power tool is mainly used in cutting big chunk of wood. And then next, we do have handheld circular saw. Same as power saw, this is used for cutting woods. The only difference is that it cuts in a rotary motion using this like blade. Next is electric drill. When it is necessary to make holes in a wood, this equipment will help you bore holes without sweat. And then we also have jigsaw. In carpentry, the main purpose of a jigsaw is to cut curved lines into wood. Next one is miter saw. It is a saw used to make accurate crosscuts and miters in a workpiece by pulling a large mounted circular blade. Next is nail gun. We can somewhat compare it to a glue gun. The difference is that instead of glue, this equipment is used to put or drive nails in a wood easily. Next one, we do have power planer. This tool is used to smooth the surface of a wood. Furthermore, It is also used for tapering woods. When we say tapering, it means reducing the thickness or width of an object. And then next one, or the last one for our equipment, we have reciprocating saw. Now, what is the function of this? This is a type of machine-powered saw wherein woods are being cut through push and pull motion of its blade. Now that we have already finished tools and equipment, let us go to the some of the materials used in carpentry. First one is timber. This type of wood can be used for both small and big buildings because of its strength, toughness, and insulating properties. And then next one, we have lumber. This wood is known for being durable, making it excellent for structural purposes. And then next, plywood, an extremely versatile wood that can be used in the interior and exterior of a house. Likewise, it can be used for internal paneling. And then next one, wood glue. Just like the other types of glue, this is used for fastening. But this type of glue was developed to have a strength suitable for joining woods. And then the last one, we have stain. This is used to darken the color of the wood to improve its look. But remember, stain does not protect the wood. And that's all for the tools, equipment, and materials used in carpentry.